Hello friends, and welcome once again to our Let's Practice Gikuyu Gikuyu session. And today I just want us to know how to read, to continue knowing how to read and understand the Gikuyu language. And here I have a portion of writing. Why I chose this one is because it is possible to find it because it is in print. It's the Bible in Gikuyu, the old Bible in Gikuyu, and because we don't have many resources where we are able to read, at least we have this one because it is possible to find it almost anywhere. Number two reason for me choosing to read from the Bible is because as a Gikuyu person, you need to know that the Gikuyu people respect God and they know that their origin is God. For those two reasons, if you want to really know and learn the Gikuyu language, you need resources, and I've said that this is a resource that is possible to get anywhere because it is in print and in circulation. I would have chosen other resources, but we don't have so many resources out there. The second reason is that the Gikuyu people love God. They know their origin is from God, and therefore you cannot separate the Gikuyu person from God. So it's natural if we read the Bible. So I hope it won't offend anyone. It's for learning purposes, not really for any other reason. Okay, so I'll begin. This is capitalized. All these are in capital letters, but it should be the same with small letters. You should be able to differentiate, or you should be able to see there's no big difference between how we capitalize in English and how we capitalize in Gikuyu. And remember our A, E, O, U, A, O vowel sounds, and this is how to go about this one. O, yo, ne, o, ho, ro, mwega, ũrĩa wandĩkirwo nĩ Luka. What that one says is, this is news good that was written by Luke. So it just means that this is the good news that was written as was written by Luke. In other words, the gospel according to Luke. Chapter 1 and verse 1. In Gikuyu we say kĩongo kĩa mbere mũhari wa mbere. Chapter 1 verse 1. Kuona atĩ andũ aingĩ managwata kwandĩka marũa ma maũndũ marĩa tũhingĩirio. In other words, kuona is seeing, ati that, ado aige, many people, managwata, have taken to, kwandika, write, marua ma maũndũ, letters or scriptures or declarations of those things marĩa tũhingĩirio, that have happened among us. O ta ũrĩa twaheirwo ũhoro wamo nĩ aira arĩa mameoneire kuma o hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkĩka, nao nĩo marĩ ndungata cia ũhoro ũcio. So that just says, just like o ta ũrĩa, just like twaheirwo ũhoro wamo, we were given or we were handed down about. Ne aira. Aira is witnesses. The eyewitnesses of something are called aira. If you go to a court of law, a moira, one person is moira, many are aira. Those are witnesses. Area mameoneire. Now they emphasize that those witnesses saw those things. Kuma o hede, starting from that time when area mabere gwĩkĩka. hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkĩka is that time when those things started to happen. Nao nĩo marĩ ndungata cia ũhoro ũcio. In other words, they were the ministers of that word. They were the, ndungata is to minister to somebody. Ndungata, somebody is to just minister to that person or to serve that person. Kuona uguore, seeing that now. Kuona uguore, seeing that now. Nie ona niere. I, even I. That's just like an emphasis. I, even I. Nie ona niere. Niundo nĩnduĩrĩtie wega maũndũ macio kuma o rĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkwo. He's just saying because nĩnduĩrĩtie, I have researched wega well maũndũ macio kuma o rĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkwo. Those things from when they started happening or being done. Nĩnyonete arĩ wega ngwandĩkire marũa we Theophilo mũnene mũgathe ma gũthingatania maũndũ macio wega o ta ũrĩa mekĩkire. In other words, he's saying, I have seen it. Nĩnyonete. Kuona and nĩnyonete. Kuona ona nĩnyonete. I have seen that it is good. Nĩnyonete arĩ wega. Nĩnyonete I have seen that it is good. Wega. Ngwandĩkire marũa, I write to you, where you, Theophilo, that is Theophilus, munene mugathe, that's most excellent. Munene mugathe, most excellent or greatly excellent. Magũthingatania maũndũ macio wega o ta ũrĩa mekĩkire. So I'm writing to you so that you might see the things in order of how they happened. Gũthingatania is to put things in order. Maũndũ macio, those things, wega, a good order, o ta ũrĩa mekĩkire, just like it happened. Nĩgetha ũmenye nama maũndũ marĩa warutirwo, so that you may know so well those things which you have been instructed about. Kurutwo is to be instructed. Nĩgetha is because ũmenye, that you know, nama truly maũndũ marĩa warutirwo. And I think that is enough. I don't know if we should go to the next paragraph, but that should do it for today. I hope you have enjoyed. Let me now try to read without pausing, so that if you are an advanced learner, you are able to follow. Try my speed so that you may practice. Okay, I'll begin. Ũyũ nĩ ũhoro mwega ũrĩa wandĩkirwo nĩ Luka. Kuona atĩ andũ aingĩ managwata kwandĩka marũa ma maũndũ marĩa tũhingĩirio o ta ũrĩa twaheirwo ũhoro wamo nĩ aira arĩa mameyoneire kuma o hĩndĩ ĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkĩka, nao nĩo marĩ ndungata cia ũhoro ũcio. Kuona ũguo rĩ, niĩ ona niĩ rĩ, nĩ ũndũ nĩnduĩrĩtie wega maũndũ macio kuma o rĩrĩa mambĩrĩirie gwĩkwo. Nĩnyonete arĩ wega ngwandĩkire marũa we Theophilo mũnene mũgathe ma gũthingatania maũndũ macio wega o ta ũrĩa mekĩkire, nĩgetha ũmenye na maũndũ marĩa warutirwo. So that's your challenge. Try to read in that speed, and see you next time when God will give us another chance. And bye.